What kind of feedback have you got from your clients?
Well, first off, they're amazed they can get any size within a couple days, or even same day, as David mentioned with our expedite service, which we do charge $70 per order for that. Yeah, they're just amazed they can get a solution immediately. The other thing is they're amazed at the accuracy, because they can shift operations around, do things in the sub-spindle they wouldn't normally be able to do, because a traditional extended nose collet maybe has problems holding with concentricity, or it can't hold it rigidly enough. With our overgrip system, they can actually change processes. Actually, at this customer right here, they had an application where they were running a dental implant product. They were doing everything on the main spindle because they couldn't hold it very rigidly in the sub-spindle with traditional collets. They used our overgrip system to shift all of the internal operations. They turned the part around, they shifted all of the internal operations to the sub-spindle, and they were able to cut the cycle time almost in half. They were able to
probably cut the cycle time down, probably knocked off 40% of the time, I think.
Yeah, they knocked off over 40%. So the cycle time went from 18 parts an hour to 32 parts an hour.